Over the last three videos, we handed Accelero's Card2Contract companion three real business cards from three different events. Same starting point, a photo and a short note, nothing more. Three very different outcomes. And here is why that matters more than any single walkthrough on its own. So, as we can see, we can compare all the three cards and see what's the difference and how it has been analyzed. Let's see. See, we can see a card comparison scoreboard for Priya Deshmukh from Vertex Industrial Systems, Arjun Mehta from GridServe Utilities Partners, Sara D'Souza, Meridian Wealth Advisors, Industry. The outcome. First one was more focused on efficiency, second on revenue, and third on compliance. And the KPI, which they were focusing on, quote turnaround time, and for the second one, on time tender submission rate, and the last, the client onboarding and KYC completion cycle time. The persona, fact, everything is given over here. Priority. First one is high, second is medium high, third is medium. And the key constraint, which has been identified. Along with it, the prioritization scores are also given based on which the priority has been decided. The use case 1 being the highest with 4.17, 2 with medium high, and 3 also around same score. But the path has been chosen depending on the persona and the score, as we can see here. And comparative risk assessment has also been done. For Priya Deshmukh, the biggest strength quantified pain, CEO AI signal, explicit request for something practical. Arjun Mehta, strong quantified operational pain. Sara D'Souza, warm relationship and clear operational ownership. And the biggest risk has also been identified. Actual quoting process owner not yet identified. Trust deficit, no sponsor. Compliance control process has not been engaged. Board style ranking is also done here. Rank 1, 2, and 3. Rank 1 is Priya Deshmukh from Vertex Industrial. Rank 2 is Sara D'Souza from Wealth Advisors. And rank 3 from Arjun Mehta from GridServe. And the real reason is also given how the ranking has been done. So, based on all the scoring and the path analysis and the comparative risk assessment, it has given an attention recommendation also. So Priya Deshmukh deserves the attention first as she is the only contact with high priority gate, a quantified KPI opportunities and executive sponsorship signal and an explicit request for a practical follow-up. So we can see how this agent has compared three different business card scenarios and has suggested to which one should we go first. So we can also summarize the comparison key takeaways, highlight the top tricks, recommend next steps based on the ranking. I would like to summarize the comparison key takeaways. So clear winner is Priya Deshmukh and why she stands out and what to do next, that is also given here. Best relationship with future potential is Sara D'Souza from Meridian Wealth Advisors. Why she is interesting? Strong relationship, operational pain is credible, she owns delivery outcomes, and the blocking progress and what to do next, everything is shared over here. And highest access risk is Arjun Mehta's because there's a lot of blockages which needs to be dealt with. And the cross portfolio view is also gained here. Pain strength, executive signal, relationship quality, proof readiness, near-term opportunity. There and thereby the recommended focus order is given. For Priya Deshmukh, act now. For Sara D'Souza, develop the relationship. And Arjun Mehta is to nurture the relationship. So this is what a real Morning at an expo actually looks like when nothing falls through the cracks, every card researched, scored, and moving, not decaying in a pocket. A stack of 60 cards doesn't become 60 identical follow ups, it becomes 60 judgmental calls made in the time it used to take to make three. Card to contact, contact to context, context to contract. Aclero Executive Intelligence for AI outcomes.